Morning. We're maybe gonna go out and have a look for a little bit of wood. Well, I gotta touch up the saw, so I just use a Dremel and make sure you get your angles right and she's pretty quick with the Dremel. You don't realize how much it's actually taken off. You want to just give them a little touch up just so it kind of shines them, takes the edge off if you burred it at all, and it's that quick. I just put my saw up in the vise. I just pop it up in the vise and spin it over, and I just start off. I take a felt marker and I just use red or black and color one tooth. That way you know where to start. And you just turn to each one, and it's just making sure you see on these teeth, if you look really close, there's a line, shows you how far that you can actually file them to. Anybody that owns a chainsaw, or you get one, you look at your chain and there's little marks, so it gives you a bit of an idea. But yeah, it's going to head out and see what we see today. That was I seen fresh tracks moose yesterday. I didn't see the moose, but fresh tracks across my trail there. Oh, 3 times I guess in the last couple of weeks. But yeah, you never know. Wolves could be pushing them out closer to community. So anyways, get on the road, and there's my little cougar in the corner. Bert, what you doing? You like perched up there by the window? take you for a little tour through my trail here into the wood patch. Show you a different angle going in. Load these guys up and give them a ride. Kind of see that's a little different. Nice. There's just enough room between the trees. Someplace I got to cut up some windfall or whatever to get through, but it's not bad. There's enough snow that you can run over top of a lot of trees that are laying down and just make a trail this way, that way. So we'll be back into a bunch of another trail through over there. Lots of dead ones there, so fell that tree and leaned it up, but just about didn't park the skidoo far enough away. And that was a dumb mistake. At least I had facing the other way, kind of hit the back of the toboggan a little, just broke some branches, that was all. So kind of lucky that the wind is not working in my favor today, and yeah, just it doesn't always go where you want it. Do what you can and watch for hanging branches, but there's a nice tamarack with no branches. And I'll cut that when the weather cools off, and it's going to get cold again. That burns nice and hot, so get that in the stove. We'll save different trees. We'll cut certain ones and cut the others later at different times, so there's lots to choose from. So that's my little ramp. Build a little deck at the back of the house, just by the door. Put a door on, so I just run right up the ramp, make a loop around, and you know, got wood piled out there too. So this is where I just so for those of you that haven't seen, I think I did a couple of videos way back. That's my wood box. So you just open the door up and door up. No tracking wood through the house. This is nice. I don't have to split it. It's all the right size. Fits. Yeah, get to see my backside. I just wanted to show you. That's just something when I built the house. I figured out where I was going to put my stove, quite central, and then utilize the space where it splits from living room to the bedrooms, kind of, and yeah, just built that so I can actually put 2 rows. This is 4 feet by 40 inches. So 2 rows, and then I fill the center all up. I have enough wood in there to last. If it's minus 30 or minus 40, the wood will still last for about 12 days. So not running out. Not having to even go to the wood shed. I've been working on the wood shed. Take you for a little walk here. So as you can see, I've got 2 compartments here in the wood shed. I filled this up last winter partly, and then put some of the poplar. Look back at the videos, had a green poplar, split it, cured it, piled it up, and then I've been working on this side. So each side is enough to do my house for one winter. So this one here, I've got 6-7 loads with a toboggan, and it'll be full. So, but I'm gonna just get back unloading and then make some supper. So we will chop at you later. That's my stove. I just put a couple sticks in it. I don't fill it very often. In the morning and at night usually, but I clean the chimney and knock the creosote down and then burn it all up, so there's really nothing there. Just yeah, just throw a couple in there, and that should just about take me till bedtime. But this is it. So this here, this is my wood box from the inside. So it's full. Just open the door, grab your wood, and I got piled way up in there. I could put a few more blocks, but that's all, just about to the ceiling. And it's right there, right by the stove, so you kind of just put one foot there and one there, and you don't have to move. Just grab blocks and fill the stove. And then the door on the inside, so when I got the outside door open, the cold air is not coming straight into the house. So all good. That's where she goes. So ciao for now. Like, subscribe if you want a wood box like that. You just have to get after it and build one.